Hello learners, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fabulous. So few days ago I had posted a video tutorial on the topic user interface in Revit. So this is the part 2 of that video tutorial, and if you guys haven't watched that video, I will be adding the link of that video at the end of this video. So if you guys haven't watched that, please click on that link and watch the video. Okay, so in this video, I will be talking about the project browser, properties palette, status bar, view control bar, option bar, drawing area, and tooltips. So if you guys find this video useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel because that will help me a lot. Okay, now let's get started. So let's start with the project browser first. You can see a box over here. This is the project browser and it contains the views, legends, schedules, sheets, families, groups, etc. of the current project. So if you want to view a particular floor plan or ceiling plan or elevation, so just go to this project browser and click on that particular plan. Okay, and you can expand and collapse these branches. So this is the project browser and we have the properties palette here. This is the properties palette, and in properties palette we have the type selector and then properties filter and edit type properties. Okay, so this is the type selector and properties filter, edit type properties, and also we have instance properties. These are the instance properties. Okay, instance properties means the properties of the selected element or command. Okay, so if you didn't select any element or command, the properties palette will show the properties of the current view. Right now the properties palette is showing the properties of the view level 1 floor plan. Okay, this is our current view now, level 1 plan view, floor plan of level 1, and the properties shown here is the properties of this floor plan level 1. Okay, so that's properties palette, and let me draw walls here. Okay, I have drawn 3 walls here. So if I select this wall, now now the properties palette is showing the properties of this particular wall. Okay, and if you want to select any another type of the wall, just go here and right click on this type selector and select the wall you want from here. For example, if you want another wall like exterior brick on cm new, just click on it, and then see, now the wall has changed to the exterior brick on CMU. This wall has changed now. So that's how you select another type of wall. And if you want to edit any properties of this particular wall, just go here to the properties palette and click on this edit type properties and then duplicate it. Always remember to duplicate the type, because if you didn't do that, if you don't do that, you will mess up the Revit family. So always remember to duplicate the type. I'm going to click on this duplicate and now change the name to any name you want, like wall 1, wall 2, anything, and click OK, and then make the changes you want. If you want to change the structure, click on this structure edit and then change the structure. And if you want to increase or decrease the thickness, do that here. We have this option of thickness here, so you can add layers or remove layers, increase thickness or remove decrease thickness from this menu. So after doing that, just click on this OK and That's how you change the properties of the element. And if you want to get the preview of the element, just click on this preview option here. And here we have the preview of the wall. You have section view and plan view. So that's how you change the properties of the wall. Okay. Now let me show you the option bar. Okay, when you select a particular command or tool, the option bar pops up. So I have selected this command wall. So this is the option bar, and these are the options related to the command wall. And let me select this window. So this is the option bar, and these are the options related to the command wall. And let me select another tool. So these doesn't have any option bar. So some tools and commands have option bar, while some doesn't have option bar. Okay, so that's about the option bar. Next, this is the info sender. Okay, you can search keywords or phrase from here. Now let me talk about the status bar. This is the status bar, and the status bar gives you information about the commands and elements or tools you select. So if you select a tool, the status bar will give you the information about what to do next with this tool. Okay, and if you select any particular element from the drawing area, like if you hold your cursor over the element in drawing area, the status bar will give you the information about the family and type of that particular element. So that's all about the status bar. And next is the view control bar. So this is the view control bar, and this view control bar have the options related to the view of the 3D model. Like we have view scale here, you can change the view scale from here, and we have the detail level here, and then visual style and sun path, shadow, crop region. Crop region means it's the boundaries of the project view. Okay, and hide or isolate element. This is used to hide a particular element from your model. Like if I want to hide this wall, uh, just click on that wall, and then go here, go down the view control bar to the view control bar, and select temporary hide or isolate, and then click on this hide element. So that's how you hide the elements. And if you want to unhide it, just click on this hide or isolate, and then click reset temporary hide or isolate. Okay, and we have other options also: temporary view properties, hide analytical model, reveal constraints, etc., etc. So these are the options we have in view control bar. Now let me tell you about these visual styles. Okay, for that I'm going to open another file so that it will be easy for you guys to understand it. So we have this 3D view of a project over here. I downloaded this project file from the Autodesk official website. So I'm going to tell you the difference between these visual styles: wireframe, hidden lights, shaded, consistent color, realistic, ray trace. Let me first select the wireframe here. Now you get the 3D view of the model with all the lines and edges. So you can see all the lines and edges here. But if you select the hidden line visual style, still you will get the view of the lines and edges, but except those obstructed by surfaces. Okay, so you won't get the view of lines and edges that are obstructed by the surface. So if you select the shaded visual style, you will get the display of, you will get the view of the 3D model with the in shaded mode. Okay, and if you select this consistent colors, sorry, you will get the display of the 3D model in shaded mode but with consistent shade. Okay, the model will be having a consistent shade, and I'm going to select this realistic now. So the realistic will give you the realistic view of the 3D model. Okay, and this ray trace option will give you photorealistic rendering mode. Okay, I'm going to select this ray trace now. It's loading.
A few moments later.
Okay, so that's the ray trace mode. Now let me select the shaded one again. Okay, so that's about the visual styles. And let me go to our previous project, and we have this option of choosing between tile view and tab view in Revit. So to get the tab view or tile, to get the tile view, you just have to go to this view tab here, and in Windows panel select tile view. Now we have the tile view here, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and this is the tab view. And if you want to get the list of active views, just click on this switch windows, and here is the list of active views. So in case you are having many views open, just go here, and in Windows go to the view tab, and in Windows panel just click on this switch windows, and you will get the list of the window views under this switch windows option. So that's all about the Windows tile view and tab view. Now let me talk about tooltips. So tooltips gives you an information about the tools and elements you are selecting. So to view the tooltips, you just have to place or hold your cursor over that tool or command. So let me show you. I'm going to this modify tab, and I'm going to place or hold my cursor over this trim or accent tool. Now the tooltip is showing me how to use this tool. Okay, so you have tooltips for almost all tools and commands. And if I place my cursor over any element in the drawing area, the tooltip will give you information like the family and type of the element. So that's all about tooltips. So that's all for now. If you find this video useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.